Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to hide a secret message inside an image file. So let's get started. So I've downloaded a sample image file. Let's open this. It is an AI generated image. I'll just close. Okay. And this is the sample text file. I've named it as a secret. Okay. And inside this is a sample message like hello, thank you for taking time to read this message. Okay. Now we are going to try to hide this message inside this image file. Okay, so let me close this. Now before adding that message to this image file, do a right click on this image and click on edit with notepad. Okay, now if we scroll down at the bottom of this file, you can see there is no secret message added to it. Okay, so I'll just close. You can see it is available till IEND. Okay, I'll just close this. Now to append this message to this image file or hide this inside it, you need to open CMD, type your CMD. Okay, so CMD will be opened in your active location where you are working, and you need to paste this code. Copy space /b space image.png. Okay, so over here our image name is image.png. Okay, with an extension, and with that we are going to append from secret.txt file, and a new file will be generated with the name hidden.png in this same directory location. Okay, now press enter. You can see one file copied. Let's minimize this. So this is our new image file hidden.png. If I double click, it is going to open as a normal image file, but this time with this image we are sharing a message. So you can do a right click, edit with notepad. Okay, and if you scroll down, see, you can see the file name, that is hidden.png. We have opened. Scroll down and you can see a secret message has got appended to this file. So now if you share this file with someone, it is going to go with this secret message. Now to view this message, they will need to open this file inside a notepad, or you can also make use of hex editor. Okay, I have a free HXD hex editor installed on my laptop, so I'll just file, click on open, and this is our file hidden.png. Click on open, and you can see this is the decoded text column. Over here, scroll down till the end and you will be able to see the message that we had appended to it. Hello, thank you for taking time to read this message, and rest of the paragraph. So I'll close this. That's how you can add a hidden message to any image. So similarly, you can try this technique on different file extensions. We tried on the PNG. Similarly, you can try on JPEG, JPG, GIF, BMP, PNG, okay, MP3, PDF, TIFF, tar. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.